Hello, Namaskaram all. Am I audible? Yes. Thanks, Sridharanji. Thank you. Let us wait for some 5 more minutes and we can start. Let's wait for other people to also join. Okay, time is very with a small prayer of 3 ohms, you can start. Devotion எல்லாரும் ஒரு 3 ohm சொல்லி நம்ம start பண்ணுவோம். Good morning. Let's start the session. Okay. So I think Nifty is going down so far, and if you can see the overall the planetary movement, the sun trend is also not much favorable to Nifty. That's how it seems. On the last February 6th, Mars has been Sun has started to connect it to Mars. That Mars is also retro, so that is showing in the market. So this you can note it as February 6th. See, this is how you can interpret the swings here. And after the February 6th, there was a brief bullish patch in the Nifty from 27th to February 5th. And yeah, February 5th was the high. And February 6th, from February 6th onwards, market is going down. So what happened on February 6th? February 6th, the sun has started to connect with Mars. So all the ST students that you can check on your Punjab or even on your you have the software. See this is software. There you can check what happened in the last February 6th. So you can see the clear downtrend from the February 6th. So maybe actually this is how I expect the market to move till next 1 week. Next 1 week, I don't expect huge recovery. And the next week onwards, I mean from the next Thursday onwards, February 20th onwards, Sun will get connected to Mars. Sorry, Sun will get connected to Rahu. So we can expect some recovery after February 20th. So overall, the Sun trend is like that. So so due to this downtrend, all the market, all the most of the stocks will be going down. Only very few stocks, especially some auto stocks, are moving up since they are connected to Mars. Other than that, most of the stocks are going down only. Okay. So basically, you can plan your trades, or you can plan positional trades based on this, and with some little bit technical also. You can get some confirmation that okay, we have already know that this is how the sun trend by paper. You know the sun trend how it will work, so you can get the idea of how the sun trend will be. And once the market also started moving, you will get the confirmation from the market also that okay, this is how the trends will be. So you can place your entry with some safe entries and with some safe exit levels, and you can book a target of some 10% or something like that. So that kind of opportunities will always be there. But of course, you have to check with your person now. Okay. Good. Okay. So considering today's trend, even though it is going up and down, I think considering the previous close, there will not be much movement considering the previous close, as the today's indicators denote what to some kind of flat market only. They are denoted with the today's moon coordinates or moon coordinates. Okay. So far, market is down 0.5%, and it is the overall reflection of the sun trend, the bigger picture. And if you can recall if you can recall the Sunday, I mean the Sunday first April, Jan first prediction by Swamiji. He has already mentioned that till June there is no such of huge bull market is not there, so that you can plan your positions also accordingly. I hope you are not holding very huge position on the share market. Even if you are holding, please look after that how to handle it. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So for the next 1 week, I'm expecting, repeating, next 1 week, I'm not expecting any huge recovery in the market. Even if it will recover, I think some minor recovery will be there. Again, market may come down, even if it recovers. And you know that after February 20th, you can expect some recovery since the sun connection with Mars goes to terminate, or even some 1 or 2 days before that, also possible. Okay. Okay. Now, if you have any doubts, you can ask. So far, what we have discussed, if you have any doubts, we can ask. If you can see for the bullish market only, we have to check which stocks will go up or which stocks will go down. In bearish market, irrespective of the trend, mostly most of the stocks will go down. Stocks may have some will show some reverse trend like energy stocks like that. Other than that, most of the stocks will go down. So there is stocks when the market is going down. So whenever market is going showing good recovery on this cycle, you can plan as some kind of positional buy. But please wait for the proper confirmation to be given by the market, because we are okay almost 1 week of the sun trend is over. 14 days, the sun trend usually covers 14 days, and we are almost done with 7 to 8 days, I think. So remaining some 8 days are there. Okay, 7 days are there. So the impact of that sun trend will be somewhat reduced in second half. Overall, all the stocks have come down. You can check some of the Mars related stocks also. But due to the connection of Mars, this is very interesting phenomenon. Due to the connection of Mars, some of the auto sector stocks are doing well. You see, there is not that much of a fall compared to other stocks. Let us take another sector stock like some finance stocks you can take. See, you can see the fall is very steep on these stocks. However, compared to that, the auto stocks are doing well since they are connected with Mars. Considering the today trend, today it is connected with Mercury. Today the moon is connected with Mercury, and okay, and the Mercury is connected with Mars and Jupiter. The Mercury is connected with Mars and the Sun. Yes, the Sun also connected. So you can overall say you can see that the mm, planets connected are uh, somewhat in a kind of flat flat houses, um, considering the considering the day trend. So whatever the down happens today, there will be some recovery. Already there was already there was some recovery. You can see the market got recovered from here, so you can see that already there was some recovery. I think it will hold and there will not be not a huge gap, not huge down considering yesterday's close. Be somewhere around now it is around 0.5%, maybe around 0 to 0.5% only, 0 to plus or minus 0.5% only it will go down, I think. So you can check at the end of the day. You can check how the today's graph also there. Okay, that's how the graph also reflects our thought process. In the first half, there is not that much of big volatility is there. Maybe the second half after 1 o'clock, we can expect some volatility. So we can take the position based on that. So there was almost recovery in most of the indices. Once the strength is there, you can plan some bullish entries on the second half on intraday basis. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask, please. And already we have got one person, one of our friends who came to Nadakendra for just trading there, and for mentoring also, trading mentoring also. So maybe once he's completed, we will talk with him, and we will ask him to share his experience also with you. And we welcome you all to Nadakendra to trade with us. So please come. We can share our experiences, and we can trade together, and you can plan your day, or we can, as a trader, you can see how you can plan your day. So as of now, it is not advisable to. Better, I would say, whenever the sun trend starts, first 1 or 2 days before sun trend, and 1 week after the sun trend, that you can the trend will be very much reliable, and after that the reliability of the trend will somewhat go down. So if you are planning to take the trades at sun trend, please take 1 or 2 days before, at least one day. Plan to take it one day before the sun trend starts, and even before one or within before plus or minus 1 days, we can see that reflection most of the times on probability. So you can take that. In this case, what we have done now, you can on February 6th, the position is changing. The plant position is changing. By February 5th, you can see the market is reversing. So by February 5th or end of the 6th, you can take some put position, or some kind of beer spread, kind of something like that, so that you could have earned much better by this time now. Okay, great. Okay, now if you have any doubts, we can discuss here, and any particular things or something you want to ask, we can discuss here. Um, Whereas we can talk about few more things, and we can find out. So far, we have discussed about this week, last week trend, how market performed with respect to the sun trend, and how it has performed. And again, next week, the probably how it will go for the next week also. That also we have discussed here, and the probable recovery time also we have discussed here. That is around February 20 plus or minus 2 days. Some kind of consultation may happen. This kind of selling may take some break. So okay. Then if I take trade, how will I take trade? Just for an example, I am telling it. Market is now trading as 20 to 800, and let us take some 20 to 900 call. Is it 112 rupees now? Okay. Maybe in the second half we can plan. So I have asked you, will I get profit in 22,900 CE if I buy after 1 p.m. today? So it shows most probably I will get the profit. So maybe I will look after buying the 22,900 CE after on 1 p.m. Okay. Maybe after 12:55, mostly after 12:55, the probability of profit is more. Okay. That's how we have to interpret this chart. Okay. So maybe after one, I can try. Right now, the market will stabilize. We have to give it some time, and after 1 o'clock, we can try. Okay. Great. So, okay. Now we have discussed it. If you have any doubts in using any things or interpreting the markets or something like that, you can ask, and otherwise you can wind up. Actually, the market is very big for next 1 week. Mostly the huge selling is going on. So maybe you can for buying stocks and something like that, you can uh, wait, and once the market shows some good strength, you can enter. Even the Astrological factors also not that much of supportive. வேற யாருக்காவது ஏதாவது சந்தேகங்கள் இருந்திருந்தா நீங்க எதுவும் கேட்கணும்னு நினைச்சீங்கன்னா நீங்க தமிழ்லயோ இங்கிலீஷ்லயோ நீங்க கேட்கலாம். எதுவும் சந்தேகங்கள் இல்லை அப்படின்னா நம்ம ப்ரேயர் பண்ணிட்டு நம்ம ட்ரேடை கான்சன்ட்ரேட் பண்ணலாம். Okay, good. Let us pray for the stand boom for 3 times. Let us conclude our session. Om. Thank you all. See you next week.